small and mid-sized businesses feel the tariffs differently than the big players?
Absolutely. Both from a just true financial, like just the availability of capital. Some small to size importers obviously are running a tighter ship than larger ones, don't have access to the same public financial market that some large public companies do. And getting bills, I give you an example. We had a customer on the southern border that if their goods would not have qualified for USMCA went from $0 to $165 million in duties due to the new ones. No one absorbs that. And the customer size that absorbs that doesn't fit into the small and mid-sized company. And I mean, I think that's been the case across the board. And they are the ones who are their product, this shipment is their livelihood. And so I think they feel this very differently than someone who's just importing the next widget to sell to somebody else.